Hey, come on in here, T-Bird. You sounding good around this old Virginia line. T-Bird, good evening, 5-1. Time to say hello. Hey, T-Bird, real good copy coming through Virginia right now. Hey, T-Bird, what are you sitting in the nest there staying warm? Shoot, it's kind of cold on the Virginia side. I might have to make a nest too. T-Bird, sounding good, my friend. Appreciate the comeback. 5-1 around this old Virginia line.
Have a good day. 51, Jay, no doubt about it. We got sunny weather out here. We got about 77. What's happening out there? DX Land 798 San Diego. Sunny San Diego. T-Bird.
How'd you have a good night, T-Bird? Well, it's down in the 30s, and we got a little bit of snow coming down, so it's still wintertime out here, ain't no doubt. Take care, T-Bird. Have a good evening, 5-1 Virginia.
Have a good day. 2966. I'm clear now. See ya.
How'd you have a good one, T-Bird 51? We'll catch you. And we'll let that Johnny Ring go get in there.
Take care for the T-Bird. Johnny, man, I see side. I get over out here and let the man roll on. About an 83 downtown Honolulu, 798 San Diego with that wave. T-Bird, I'm back in my nest. Hey there, Shut. Shut, I thought you was done there. Oh, T-Bird, he's just too loud. I had to give him a holler. 315.
Hey, he sounded good there, sure was.
Yeah, I was up on 26, come back down here.
Yeah, I heard just about every word you said over.